Hey guys, welcome back. Now the secret to today's creamy chocolate frosting is this Nesquick. It'll bring you back to your childhood years, and with only 4 ingredients, it's guaranteed to be your new number 1. Start this fun frosting by heating up 1/3 cups of milk for 40 seconds in the microwave. You want it to be piping hot in order to dissolve the sugar that's in this 1 cup of Nesquick mix. If you guys are new here, welcome to my channel. I post weekly recipes, so be sure to subscribe and you won't miss out. I know what you're thinking, can I use other flavors of Nesquick to make a strawberry or banana frosting? And the answer is yes. In fact, you're able to use any other brand of drink or hot chocolate mix. I added 4 tablespoons of softened butter. The milk is still warm, so continue mixing until all that butter has melted into the mixture. Once it's nicely silky smooth, go ahead and finish this recipe off with the powdered sugar. If you guys are wondering what does Nesquick frosting taste like, I can tell you it's almost identical to the flavors of chocolate malt balls. It's ready to use now as is. Spread it onto any 8-inch double layer cake or 24 cupcakes, heck, even a sheet pan of brownies. One thing I do absolutely love about this frosting is how quickly it forms that perfect crusting layer on the outside as it sits, making it the perfect frosting for any hot summer day. Your birthday cake will be able to sit out on the table without melting. And speaking of cake, this Nesquick frosting has the most incredible texture. It's not too thick and not too thin. It's absolutely the best texture to frost your cake, making each layer as smooth or as textured as you like. If you guys wanted to aerate this frosting, feel free to whip it up a few minutes with your handheld mixer. Just one note that if you make this the day before, it will firm up, so allow it to sit at room temperature a few minutes before using it. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick and easy recipe. Don't forget to comment, like, and give this video a big thumbs up. Stay tuned for more recipes, all of them always with a unique twist.